Hi Kai! Happy birthday! Oh my gosh! You're now at your 20th birthday. So, tapos na ang iyong teenage years. At ngayon, you're now in your 20s. So, I just hope that you live your 20s to the fullest. Kasi, alam ko namang masayahin kang tao and you make everyone happy. So, I just want to thank you for being my friend and for making me laugh. I just want to thank you for the laughter kasi super chaotic pag kasama ka and super talaga sumasaya lahat kapag kasama ka. And yeah, thank you for being you. And alam ko naman nakapag kaya kasi ikaw si kayo. Okay? So, yeah, ayun nga ako. If anything happens, you know that nandito lang ako on everyone. And yeah, so I love you so much. I miss you and let's hang out soon. Party! Yeah!
So, hi guys! So, anyways, happy birthday kay Virgo Daniel. I wish you all the best life and stay healthy, handsome, and ayun, thankful ako na mas naging close tayo this second sem, and I hope na mas marami pang bonding, diba? So, ayun. Happiest birthday, Kai. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Bye, I love you.
Hi Kai! Happy birthday! Wish ko lang sa'yo is sana ma-enjoy mo yung day mo today and I hope you continue to bring joy sa other people, lalo na sa aming mga friends. So, ayun lang. I wish you all the best and yeah. Happy birthday! Love you, Beth!
Hi Kai! Happy birthday! And I wish na matupad lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay. Keep doing what you love. And stay as a jolly and a cheerful Kai. So, yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Hi Kai, happy birthday. Wishing you happiness, good health, and more blessing. Enjoy your day.
Hi Kai, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, stay healthy and sana, mag-ingat ka sa mga lakad agendas mo. So yun lang, that's it. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Carlo! Happy birthday na! Love you! Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo, maging successful ka sa buhay. Nandito lang ako. I will try to do my best and wish ko ang iyong magandang kalusugan. Huwag makakalimot sa Panginoon always. May takot sa Diyos sana. At nandito lang ako na para sa iyo. Lagi. Iwasan lang yung pagiging masyadong impulsive. Okay. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kai. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay keep chasing your dreams and never stop believing in yourself. Lagi mong tandaan, lagi kaming proud sa'yo. Ingat ka always and stay happy with Aaron. Love you. Miss you.